हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स स्टूडेंट्स। हाय, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा करते हैं आप बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे। नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस लाइव वीडियो सेशन में। आज हम लोग क्लास 10th पॉलिटिकल साइंस चैप्टर 2 फेडरलिज्म के MCQ क्वेश्चंस, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो आपके एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कीप स्माइलिंग, स्टे कनेक्टेड। स्टार्ट करते हैं। और स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक थॉट है हमारा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। एजुकेशन इज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी हुज डेस्टिनेशन एक्सपैंड्स एज मच एज यू ट्रैवल। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। फेडरलिज्म, संघवाद, इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है, इजी चैप्टर है। इस चैप्टर से बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन किया जाता है। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव, व्हेन वाज द स्टेट रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन कमीशन फॉर्म्ड? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज इन द ईयर 1953. When was the States Reorganization Commission formed? And the correct answer is 1953. How many union territories are there in the Indian Federation? And the correct answer is 8. Next question, which list in the Indian Constitution includes subjects of national importance like defense and foreign affairs? And the correct answer is Union list. Next question, what term describes areas in the Indian Union that enjoy very little power due to their small size but cannot become independent states? And the correct answer is Union territories. Next question, which institution plays a crucial role in interpreting the Constitution and resolving disputes related to federalism in India? And the correct answer is the judiciary, including the High Courts and the Supreme Court. Next question, my dear students, these all are objective questions, MCQ questions. What are the kinds of routes through which federations have been formed? What are the kinds of routes through which federations have been formed? And the correct answer is one route involves independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit, USA. And the second route is where a large country decides to divide its power between the states and the national government, India. Next question, which of the following is not the part of third tier system of Panchayati Raj? And the correct answer is municipalities. Next question, Australia is an example of which type of federation? And the correct answer is coming together federation. Next question, identify the region area of India with the help of the following information. The central government has special powers in running these areas. These areas are too small to become an independent states, and the correct answer is union territories. Next question, consider the following statement on the language policy followed in India. Identify the most appropriate statement. The policy of recommendation has strengthened national unity. Next question, the union list includes subjects such as defense, foreign affairs, banking, currency, communications. Next question, states such as Assam, Nagaland, Dash and Dash enjoy special powers under Article 371 of the Constitution of India, and the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. Next question, which one of the following subjects come under the legislation of center and state in India? And the correct answer is education. Next question, which one of the following is incorrect regarding a unitary government? Unitary government means एकात्मक सरकार, एक ही लेवल की गवर्नमेंट होती है. And the powers of the state governments are guaranteed by the constitution. This is incorrect. Next question, in case of unitary system, Dash. Next question, Dash act as an umpire if disputes arise between different levels of the government? And the correct answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court act as an umpire if disputes arise between different levels of the government. Next question, analyze the information given below considering one of the following correct options. It includes subjects of national importance such as defense of the country, foreign affairs, banking, communication and currency. They are included in this list because we need a uniform policy on these matters throughout the country, and the correct answer is union list. Next question, in case of a clash between the laws made by the center and a state on a subject in the concurrent list, the center law prevails. स्टेट और सेंटर के बीच अगर डिस्प्यूट होगा तो सेंटर के द्वारा बनाए गए लॉ को माना जाएगा. प्रिवील किया जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग द लैंग्वेज पॉलिसी ऑफ द इंडियन फेडरेशन। Hindi was identified as the official language. Besides Hindi, there are 21 other languages recognized as scheduled languages. Next, English can be used along with Hindi for official purposes. Choose the correct right option from the following. And the correct option is option 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Next question, what is the government at the block level called Panchayati system? What is the government at block level called Panchayati system? Next question, besides Hindi, there are dash other languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. Besides Hindi, there are 21 other languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. Next question, which one of the following subjects come exclusively under the legislation of state governments in India? And the correct answer is police. As per language policy of the Indian government, which one of the following statements is true regarding the status of Hindi language? And the correct answer is Hindi is the official language only. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो अभी हम लोगों ने जो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस का आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा। मिलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ, किसी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के MCQ क्वेश्चंस, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के साथ। थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर प्रीशियस टाइम। हैव अ ग्रेट डे। गॉड ब्लेस यू।